Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Oppo Reno11. So, if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu and expand the icons and check that you have the notice mode deactivated, like here. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications, check that you have activated the switcher and also the lock screen and banner. In the next step, go to the additional settings and check the hyper notifications. You should have it activated. The next step, let's open the data usage and turn on the background data. If you still don't have your alerts, make the back of your messages, go to the storage usage and choose clear data. The next step, let's open the settings, open the additional settings and choose the backup and reset. Tap on the reset phone and choose network settings. Tap on the reset network settings button and check your WhatsApp again. In the last step, try to upgrade your system. So go to the about device, choose ColorOS. If you have any download like me, tap on the download and install and check your notifications from the WhatsApp. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.